Exchange.
What's up, guys? Your boy Russ again, back with another one. I thought we'd do something fun today. I figured we'd take out the Scat, which is B right here. We're gonna take her out. We're gonna see if we can get some 0 to 60 pulls, you know, get some launches in this thing. Barely show the Scat any love on the channel, but I felt like I'd do it today. Let's get that cold start on this Corsa Extreme exhaust. Good, let's hop in, let's go have some fun. So yeah, guys, we in B right now. Man, I swear, every time I get in this car and I drive it, it's a totally different feel from the Hellcat as far as like the throttle response. Like, I swear this car feels like it has a power commander on it or something, but it's nothing. It's just super touchy. Like, this car got some juice to it. That's why I say a 392 is the way to go. If you don't need the power of the Hellcat, a 392 is the way to go, guys. Trust me. This is a great, I wouldn't say beginner car if you're jumping out there with the Mopars, but it's more than enough power. You know, some people want to jump out with the RTs, you know, the 5.7. Some even go as low as a V6, or a V6 with all-wheel drive in the GT. But I think if you want the sound, the power, everything without being like ridiculous fast, like in a Hellcat, then get the Scatpack or get a SRT 392. They're super fun cars, super fun. Like, my wife drives this and she rips around town in it, like she tells me all the time. Right now we heading to Mexico, you know, where I like to film some of my runs in the car. I will say this, anytime you want to mess around in your car, man, do it in a safe environment, man. Do it in a safe place. Like, riding around on the road like this, like, you guys see the traffic, well, not really too much traffic, but you see all the cars around me. You don't want to do crazy things in your car with cars around like this. You want to do things like this safe and in a safe place. So that's why I take the car to Mexico, and you know, and that's where we do our runs. All right, guys, we made it out here to what I like to call Little Mexico. We got B right here. She's a little dirty, but that's not the point of the video. We're gonna get some launches in this thing. We're gonna do some 0 to 60 pulls in it. The advantage that B has over Raven is she is running the Nitto 555 G2s. I got, I believe, 275 in the front, and we got 305s in the rear. Now, these tires are way better than the P0s that I have on my Hellcat. Gets no type of traction. It's what you guys seen from the launches in my Hellcat. It gets minimal traction. But these tires, they grip pretty well, and I love them. I have a set of R's for the rear. Well, I got a set of regular G5s or regular G2s for the front too, but it has the tire stickers on it, and I took them off and replaced them with these. But I do have some 305, 555 R's for the rear. And I might put them back on the car, you know, light them up or something, just to get rid of them. They're just sitting in my garage right now. So I might as well get some type of use out of them. Might do a huge burnout video in the car. I haven't decided yet. But like I said, we're down here in what I like to call Little Mexico. I'm gonna give you guys a couple vantage points. I'm probably gonna mount my phone or something on the side of the road, and I'm gonna do the POV from the inside, you know, with the GoPro and my helmet cam. So like I said, guys, when you're doing something like this, make sure you be safe. Make sure you do it in a safe environment. The road's pretty clear. I think I might have one car down there, one or two cars, but I'm gonna pull up on them. I'm gonna let them know what I'm doing, so we could do this safe, and we could just have some fun, man. I want to see the times on the car and see what kind of launch reaction I got with the car. I know the Hellcat launch is pretty hard. I think this is gonna launch hard too, especially with the better tires. But we're gonna see. We're about to have some fun, guys, so stay tuned. Sheesh. You guys ready? Oh yeah, we got sideways the whole time. Put it in launch. Let's try this again. Ready, ready. Launch. We got it at a 4.8. We can get lower than that. Problem is the car is still spinning, and I'm not giving it full throttle.
Car sounds good.
I appreciate it.
I like it.
Thank you. You should see my Hellcat.
What's that?
Yeah, I said you should see my Hellcat.
Oh, you have a Hellcat also?
Yeah, you can add my my YouTube channel. It's called Hellcat_TV.
Hellcat_TV?
Yeah.
I'll check it out. I have my phone in my car. I just don't have it on me.
Oh, yeah. When you check it out, you'll see.
Okay.
I bring it down here too. Right now, I'm just doing a vlog, you know, some launches in my
stretch because there ain't much traffic. And stuff.
Exactly. So that's why I like to bring it down here, because it's like safe. You can do it right here.
I used to have a 92 Mustang. It was stock, but still, like when I had in Montana.
Little Fox body?
Yeah, little Fox body. I'd find like parking lot stuff, go do donuts and stuff in them.
Okay. Yeah, I don't do the donuts, but
yeah, just something like this.
I definitely do the launches though. You ever launched in one of these? Hey man, get in, man. I'm recording right now too. This is going on the vlog. Yeah, this is about to go on the vlog, so. Now you ready?
Oh yeah.
You sure?
Don't bother me.
This thing still
brakes traction.
Yeah, I got real good tires on it and it's still brake traction.
That's crazy.
On my Hellcat, my tires are trash.
Are they?
Yeah, so
Is it just brake free?
on the Hellcat?
Yeah.
Hell yeah. No matter how fast I'm going, I could be doing 70, I can still get brake traction. Yeah, I'm gonna launch it a little easier. This time I ain't gonna give it full throttle. Oh yeah. Now you can say you launched around in the 392.
Yep. I know. I used to work for a GM dealership as a technician, and we had a Z06, and that was pretty fun. I didn't launch it, but going it was Jet Chevrolet, and so I came down here and got back on 18 and was able to go, wow. I was like, holy shit.
Oh, is it manual too?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Damn, those things are fast.
Z06 is fast because they light. I think they like 3,700 pounds or something like that. Yeah.
I appreciate it, man.
No problem, man. Yeah, but look up the channel. It's Hellcat_TV. You'll see it. See, he got to get on the vlog. He got to do a little ride along when I launch the car. Let's see if we can launch a little lighter. See the numbers right there. I'm trying not to give it too much because this thing is still spinning. It'll be way better if I have my R tires on here. See if we can get another. I know I could get it lower than that to probably about a 4.6, but we gonna call it on that. Let's do some flybys though. Got the setup over there. We ready to go. We're not gonna launch, we just gonna go. Get a rolling start. Like I said, we're gonna do a roller. Get out to about 30. Let's go. So this gonna wrap this one up, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I certainly know I did. I love launching this car. I love launching both of my cars. You know, doing 0 to 60s in my cars to see where they stand. Like I say, the Scatpack is a fun car. If you don't need all the power of the Hellcat, get a Scatpack, get an SRT 392. You'll be satisfied. This car is a lot of fun, and yeah, and it sounds really good with that exhaust, man. Corsa Extreme. So I want to thank you guys for checking out my content, liking the vlogs, you know, commenting on the vlogs, man. You guys are number one. We're gonna keep going up. We're almost at 2,000 subs. Once we hit 2,500 subs, we're gonna do a big giveaway. I'm getting ready to do on probably my next vlog or something, the 1,000 subscriber giveaway, because I didn't do that properly. I just did a flash giveaway with Badir, but I want to do my own 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It's gonna be the same way you guys entered last time. I'm gonna do a vlog. I'm gonna ask you to go over to my Instagram page, follow me on Instagram, and you know, comment on whatever post that I put about the giveaway. It's so easy to enter, and trust me, it's gonna be a nice amount of money for the winner. So I might do multiple winners. I haven't decided yet, but it may be 1 or 2 winners. So like I said, just gonna wrap this one up, guys. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell to stay up to date with all the new content. Peace.